you ever wondered what is the meaning of the plants around us? Or why they are living beings like us? In today's video, we're going to discover the secret life of fungi. Okay, let's start by talking about the secret life of fungi. But first, if you want, you can subscribe to my channel secretly too. Okay, what do we really know about mushrooms? What things do we ignore about them? Fungi play a crucial ecological role as decomposers. They are responsible for breaking down dead organic matter, such as fallen leaves, wood, and other biological debris. This helps recycle nutrients that are released into the soil, allowing plants and other organisms to utilize them. Without fungi, these nutrients could not be recycled efficiently, and the ecosystem would suffer from a buildup of organic matter that could hinder plant growth. Fungi are also being studied as possible solutions to environmental problems such as soil and water decontamination, thanks to their ability to decompose toxic substances such as plastic or heavy metals. Fungi belong to a different kingdom than plants, animals, and bacteria. Although we often associate them with plants because of their shape or because they grow in soil, fungi have very different characteristics. In the past, fungi were classified with plants, but advances in genetics and molecular biology have shown that they are closer to animals than to plants. If you're interested in this secret life of the fungi, you can get this print in my online store. I'll leave the direct link in the description and in the comment section. One of the cool things about mushrooms is that they can communicate each other through their roots. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic associations with plant roots known as mycorrhizae. This relationship is essential for nutrient cycling in terrestrial ecosystems. And yet, the fungi provide nutrients such as phosphorus, nitrogen, and other minerals to the plants, while the plants deliver sugars and other organic compounds, which the fungi cannot synthesize on their own. What is the most fascinating is that these subway fungal networks, sometimes called nature internet, can connect different plants of the same or even different species. Through this network of mycelium, the fungal thread system, plants can share nutrients, water, and most incredibly, chemical signals. If a plant is being attacked by insects, it can emit a chemical signal through the mycelium network, alerting other nearby plants to produce chemicals that repel insects. In their search for nutrients, fungi can connect young trees with larger adult trees, so that the larger ones can share resources with the smaller ones. Pretty cool, huh? This system of communication and mutual aid is essential for the health and balance of forests and natural ecosystems in general. Another cool thing about mushrooms is bioluminescent fungi. Bioluminescence is a natural phenomenon in which an organism produces and emits visible light. This phenomenon is quite common in some marine organisms such as squid and jellyfish, but it also occurs in some fungi, making them true natural lights in the forest. Although the exact purpose of bioluminescence in fungi is not completely clear, there are several theories. The light could attract insects that, upon approaching the fungus, transport it to new areas, helping the fungus to disperse its spores. Another hypothesis is that the light could repel animals that could harm the fungus or its spores, acting as a form of defense. It is also proposed that bioluminescence could play a role in the interaction with other organisms in the ecosystem, such as plants and other fungi. And last but not least, mushrooms play a key role in both gastronomy and medicine. In cooking, fungi such as mushrooms, shiitake, and portobello are used in various cultures for the umami flavor and nutritional properties. Besides being a good source of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, mushrooms also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. In medicine, mushrooms have been fundamental, and one of the best known examples is penicillin, an antibiotic discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928. Penicillin comes from a fungus called Penicillium and revolutionized the treatment of bacterial infections, saving millions of lives. In addition, some mushrooms contain bioactive compounds that are being studied for their potential therapeutic benefits. In fact, in traditional Chinese medicine, the mushroom is being studied and used, such as immune system strengthening and antidepressants, among many other treatments. As you can see, mushrooms are not only tasty, but could also be the key in development of new treatments for disease and medical conditions. And basically, this was all I wanted to express while drawing mushrooms. I think they are quite interesting beings, aren't they? By the way, you can find this print for sale in my online store if you want to get it. I have left the link in the description of the video and in the comment section for you to have a quick and easy access. I hope you liked the video. As I always say, thank you and see you soon.